mean passengers.
We'll stick together.
Hello. How are you?
I waited at the team like said.
Wow.
Great.
Good for you. Where's your bike? I'll let you guys figure this out. I'm going to show you guys how to wear the life jacket in case of emergency. Only in case of emergency. It's going to be very easy. Up over your head, around your neck, strap comes around this way, flips in the front. If anything happens, I'm going to make sure everybody knows what to do. We have 2 life jackets here. I have one. Who wants the other one?
That's a good one.
Yeah, I've never used that joke before. Well, I'm going to need everyone to basically stay seated while we're going. And I think we're going to try to make it out to maybe like a little waterfall down.
Hi, fans.
We're neighbors almost. I was, yeah. Yep. What's get that?
Nice yung kulay, no? $5. Ay, ito na sila, oh, katong sa